Hello everyone, Sonic from Finale Inventory here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add conditional formatting to your screen. This can be helpful for highlighting specific values and drawing your attention to those cells that meet the criteria. For this exercise, I'm going to edit my View Stock screen to highlight my, say, reservations units. To start, I'm going to go into the top left corner here where we can select our views. I'm going to select Customize Columns, and for our reservation units, I will select Edit Column. We can select the Conditional Formatting tab, and with every conditional formatting statement, we're going to begin with an if statement. We show you the column name that we are going to be using to reference. And for products that I have reservations of 10 or more of, I'm going to want to highlight those as red. Okay. And then for products that I have less than 10 reservations of, I'm going to want to highlight those as green. So remember to close our parentheses over here. Select Edit Column, and we can see those changes reflected for our reservation units columns. Let's say I want to make the text of those green instead. I would then change this background into a text. Select Edit Column. And now we can see that the text color has changed instead. To remove those conditional formatting statements, we would just go back into Edit the Column and then remove this statement here. And now our column is back as the way it once was. If you have any questions, please reach out to service@finaleinventory.com